Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to set an app lock in this device. For this, go to settings and scroll down. Here you can see the option security and privacy. Tap on this one. Again scroll down. Tap on the option app lock. So first we need to set a privacy password. For this, tap on the three dots on the top right side. Tap on settings and tap on privacy password. Now you can see the option turn on privacy password. Tap on this one. So here we need to set the privacy password for the app lock. This is for 6-digit privacy password. If you want to change any password type, then tap on the option use different password type, and from here you can select the password type, and from here I am going to select the option 4-digit. So here we need to enter a 4-digit password. Again confirm the password. So here we need to enter the answer of security question. So in case if you forgot your privacy password, using the security question answer, you can easily reset your privacy password. So don't forget this one. After that tap on the tick symbol. Yeah, first we set the privacy password. Now go back. Now from the list of application you need to turn on the this one, app lock. Now from this list of application you need to select the application that you want to set the app lock. So here I am going to set the app lock for Instagram. Then again scroll down, then photos, again scroll down for the YouTube also. So here I set the app lock for the three application: YouTube, photos and Instagram. Now let me show you how it works. Now try to open the application Instagram. Now you can see they are asking for the app lock. Enter the app lock, it is unlocked. Now the second application, photos, go down, tap on photos. Here you can see they're asking the privacy password. Again I am going to open the application YouTube. Now you can see here also they are asking the privacy password. So simply in this way you can set the privacy app lock in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.